If you're looking to securely store your domain registrar and hosting info, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest and safest ways to do it. Whether you're a business owner, website manager, or just someone with a domain, securing this information is crucial. And by the end, I'll share a unique way to make the process even simpler. Stay tuned. The first step is to understand why keeping your domain registrar and hosting info secure matters. These are the keys to your online presence. If they're compromised, someone could gain control of your website and email, and you could lose everything. So it's vital to have a system in place to protect that sensitive information. Now, let's jump into how to store this info securely. The best method is using a password manager. A good password manager will store all your domain registrar, hosting account, and login details in an encrypted format, making it much harder for anyone to gain access. I've tried several, and the one I'm recommending today offers an exclusive free trial, available only to viewers of this channel. Check the description below if you want to follow along with this software. First, set up a strong unique password for your domain registrar and hosting accounts. Never use the same password across multiple sites. Once your passwords are set, use your password manager to store them. Password managers often include extra features like two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend enabling to add an additional layer of protection. Another method is using a secure offline storage system, such as a physical encrypted USB drive. While this might not be as convenient, it's a great backup if you want to keep your information away from the internet. Just make sure to store that USB drive in a safe place, like a locked drawer or safe. Also, if you're managing multiple domains or websites, it can get tricky to keep track of all your login details. That's where a good software solution comes in. The software we'll be using today can help you organize, store, and retrieve these details easily, with encryption to ensure your info stays private. Again, you can get an exclusive free trial by checking the link in the description below. It's also a good idea to use multi-factor authentication on your registrar and hosting accounts if they offer it. This way, even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to access your accounts without the second authentication step. Enabling this feature takes just a few minutes, but it adds a huge layer of security. To wrap it up, let's go over the key points. Store your domain registrar and hosting info in a secure password manager or encrypted USB. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication where possible. Consider using software to help organize and store all your login details securely. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we mentioned earlier by clicking the link in the description. Key takeaway: protect your domain and hosting login info as you would any other sensitive data. A good password manager or secure offline storage system will keep your account safe and your mind at ease. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the free trial in the description and stay safe online.